So this is the medallion prayer plant here. As you can see, the leaves are quite large. I think some of them are probably nearly 8 inches long. Got a really interesting purple bottom to the leaf. This is one of the more common varieties to find. You should be able to find this at your local plant store. All the prayer plants that we have pretty similar requirements. This one does like bright and direct light. And how's the water requirements?
We water these about once a week. One thing that you should remember is to turn them if you notice they're growing in one direction.
That's a good point.
Because they can get really lopsided, which is fine, but it's cool to have it be sort of symmetrical, growing upwards.
Next up, we have the all green. This is a really interesting variety here. It's got much smaller leaves. They're a little bit more delicate feeling as well. They're a little bit thinner. This one, all green, is a little harder to find, but I really like this one. It actually has little tiny white flowers too if you treat it just right.
The thing I like about prayer plants is every leaf has a really unique look to it, and depending on the type you get, you can find different designs. Alright, thanks for watching. We hope you learned a little bit about the prayer plant and we answered your questions. If you still have any questions, please comment them below. We got a lot of recommendations for videos coming up. We're gonna do one about the banana tree. Forgot about other ones, but yeah, we have lots of ideas, so stay tuned.
Alright, thanks again guys. Keep on enjoying your plants and we'll see you next time.